Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have Outlook open. First, confirm account sync and permissions so changes appear on all devices. Next, choose a default calendar and set your time zone and working hours. This ensures accurate scheduling and suggestions. Once done, create one test event and invite yourself to confirm notifications and sync. Make sure calendar view and week start match your routine, because consistent settings reduce double bookings and confusion when you begin adding real events. You'll now structure your week. Use color categories and brief, searchable titles so you can scan at a glance. Once categorized, block deep work sessions as events with clear end times and buffer periods. This prevents meeting spillover. Make recurring events and event templates for routines. Save repeated settings like location, attendees, and reminders. Also drag emails to the calendar or use the email to calendar action to convert tasks into scheduled items. Because scheduled tasks you're in the final phase. Review upcoming weeks and archive or tidy old entries so your view stays useful. Once cleaned, share specific calendars with colleagues giving only the permission they need, and link shared calendars to reduce overlapping commitments. Make sure your mobile app is synced and test offline access so you can check plans without signal. If events stop syncing, first force a manual sync and re-enter account credentials. That simple step often resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.